Hi, I'm Kate Jonker. I'm an underwater photographer and dive guide, and I spend a lot of my time showing divers around the most beautiful reefs in my hometown of Gordons Bay, which is just outside Cape Town in South Africa. We have temperate waters here, and visibility ranges from between 5 and 15 meters. When it gets cloudy, the dives can sometimes get quite dark, and it's important to have a torch to be able to lead divers and to search for critters on the reef. So I'm very excited to have received the D710 dive light from OrcaTorch. Wow, look at this great case. It is so sturdy and solid and well made. How impressive. Let's see what's inside. The torch. So the torch looks very sturdy. It's the usual great OrcaTorch quality that I've grown accustomed to, and it fits nicely and snugly into my hand. It feels really sturdy. The body is made from aircraft grade high strength aluminium, and the glass at the front is toughened on both sides. It's sealed with 3 O-rings and comes with a USB rechargeable battery, which I love as it cuts down on the number of cables that you need to take with you when you travel. So what I use is just one of these, and I can plug my USB chargers straight into this and plug it into the wall. So it's really useful to travel with. So easy. It has 3 strengths of light output: 1700 lumen, 800 lumen, and 400 lumen. And a turbo output of 3000, which you can access by pressing the switch for 0.5 seconds at any level. When you let go of the button, it goes back to its original setting. I'm really looking forward to using this because it's going to help me point out critters on the reef to my clients. The torch has a 6-degree beam angle and it's depth rated to 150 meters. It also has a battery indicator which shows you the battery level, and to prevent you from turning the torch on by mistake, you can lock it by holding the switch down for 5 seconds, and then to unlock it, you simply double click the switch. It also has an intelligent overheating protection, so if you forget to switch it off after dive, it will automatically drop its output when the torch reaches temperatures of 65 degrees. How cool is that? Other items in the case include a lanyard to fit onto the back of the torch, and it can also go around your wrist. So I'm going to put a clip to mine so I can attach it to the BCD D-ring. It also comes with a little packet of spare O-rings, a very helpful user manual, and a warranty card. And I really look forward to using this torch when I guide divers around our reefs. So I'm going to be diving this next weekend, and I will put the torch through its tests and I will report back to you shortly. In the meantime, happy bubbles, safe diving, and I'll see you later.